Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा ना। देखिए, दुबई is a city of gold and a city of opportunities. This is one of those cities जहाँ पर पैसा कमाने के जितने तरीके हैं उससे कई ज़्यादा तरीके पैसा उड़ाने के हैं. So in this city it becomes very very important for us to handle our finances properly. And इसी के लिए खुल चुका है सिटी में एक नया बुटीक. That's right. iCare नाम से खुला है एक नया financial boutique. Now this is a place that advises you on how to handle your finances, your expenses, and how to make in your right investments. iCare Advisory is a boutique consultancy that conceives, designs, plans, and executes personalized financial security solutions. The boutique consultancy will provide exclusive product services including iCare Hotline, iCare Bouquet, and iCare Umbrella. iCare Hotline is formulated to address complex needs of high net worth individuals where the clients can reach the CEO, Miss Lena, directly for specialized services.
iCare Boutique, well, as you can say that the name itself is iCare, and it was just a thought because I'm in a business of caring. I care for people and I wanted to make a difference in the industry, of financial industry here around, because I can see the industry is almost actually driven by the financial planners here. You don't have somebody who really feel and you can trust the person who really care for you, who can design product, who has a knowledge of product, who knows the marketing, who knows the pricing, so he can design the right thing for you, the cost-effective way. So I really feel that I care for people. That's why I decided to have a financial boutique.
iCare Bouquet offers solutions for large corporates, whereas iCare Umbrella addresses the protection needs for families with special needs children.
Well, I have got few type of things which is in my mind because that's the base of my iCare company, why I started for. I basically aim to cater high network individual of UAE plus the GCC countries, and also plan to go towards African markets.
iCare Advisory will adopt an advice-based model with a detailed financing solution which complements the needs, personality and comfort level of our clients. iCare फाइनेंशियल बुटीक को लॉन्च करने आई थी करिश्मा कपूर, जिन्होंने अपने नाम से H निकाल दिया है. Don't ask me why, because I have no clue at all. उनका मानना यह है कि although she comes from a very very wealthy family, she's always been very particular about her finances. Bollywood actress Karishma Kapoor was there to launch this special advisory financial boutique.
Most importantly, I think, she's taking a space in the finance world for children with special needs. She's trying to help parents, get finance to kind of, take care of their education and their special needs. And I think that's something which is really credible. And I think that's the reason why I'm here. Like you said, how do you choose the places you go or the brands you associate with? So I think iCare literally means I care.
iCare can help you manage all your finances, but to manage your finances, the most important thing is that you should have some finances in the first place. And to have finances, one thing that plays a very important role in life is the education that you have. Now, since we are talking about education, here's some very good news for people staying in Ajman, because Ajman now has its first IGCSE curriculum school. It's called the Bloomington Academy. The Bloomington Academy, the first British curriculum school in Ajman, aims to inspire the pupils from FS to AS level to have a passion for learning.
The Lazar Group, we've been operating in schools for about 28 years, and it's always been an Indian curriculum school. Our next venture was we were supposed to venture in a new curriculum. In Ajman, there is no British curriculum as of yet, so we've decided to go ahead with the Bloomington Academy.
The education programs are based on the national curriculum for England.
CBSE has now implemented for the past few years CCE pattern. That means there are formative assessments and summative assessments. So a child gets for what he has been doing in the everyday. So he is assessed for that. So I would say that CBSE, like British curriculum, has become more student friendly.
Needs of each student in order to help them realize their potential in academic, social, emotional, cultural and physical development.
The vision is to provide a signature school. Each classroom would have ICT facility, which is projectors, and learning methods would be as latest as possible.
This is achieved through a balanced curriculum that is a blend of both traditional and modern values.
For the Bloomington Academy, the first year it will be from FS1 to grade 6. FS1, as usual, there is no entrance exam for them, only interview with the child and the parent. For FS2, it will be only small exam about the colors, about like this, just to know about the student scale, ability to learn, just like this. But from grade 1 to grade 6, it will be the entrance exam for them, the interview. This is the admission. This is the first step for that. After that, we will go for the second, the documents, submitting the documents, registration, like this it will be.
Okay, it's time for us to take a short break, and break के बाद it will be time for some intake, क्योंकि break के बाद जब हम वापस आएंगे तो मैं और आप मिलकर बढ़िया खाना खाएंगे.